The VBPIIe is an A energy-rated backpack vacuum, ideal for commercial cleaning in offices, schools, hotels and education facilities. Please read the full user instructions before using this machine and check that your supply voltage corresponds with that marked on the rating label on the rear of the machine. Pull the two latches on either side of the machine and lift off the machine cover and vacuum bag. Ensure the cloth filter bag is fitted. Ensure the vacuum bag is fitted correctly to the machine cover before replacing both into the machine. Secure both latches on either side of the machine. The VBPIIe features adjustable straps and an ergonomic design for ultimate comfort and ease of use. Adjust the straps where necessary to ensure the backpack is correctly fitted. The vacuum should fit comfortably on your hips. Take off the vacuum and attach the vacuum hose to the hose inlet nozzle. Then attach the wand to the hose and attach the floor tool. The on-off button is situated on the waist strap. Unwrap the supply cord and plug the machine into a plug socket outlet. Extend your telescopic wand by pushing on the button and extending the wand. Press the on-off button on the machine. Start vacuuming in your chosen area. To increase or decrease the vacuum suction, slide the relief valve on the vacuum hose handle. Check the floor tool is set to the appropriate setting for the floor type you're cleaning by pushing on the button to change from carpet to hard floors. A crevice tool, dusting brush and upholstery tool are included with the machine and can be used for difficult to reach areas and detail vacuuming. These can be stored conveniently on the waist strap. To replace the vacuum bag, ensure the machine is switched off and unplugged from the power supply. Remove the vacuum hose from the hose inlet nozzle. Pull the two latches on either side of the machine and lift off the cover. Lift out the vacuum bag. Install a new vacuum bag, ensuring it is fitted correctly. Replace the machine cover and secure both latches on either side of the machine. Always unplug the machine after use. After every use, check the vacuum bag and if full, replace. Check the filter bag and motor inlet filter to ensure there are no blockages. Check the supply cord for any wear or damage and wrap the supply cord. Store the machine in a dry indoor area only.